Morning, welcome to a new project. This is Belford Ave, so day one on site, just doing our little setup. Boys have just got the site fence set up at the front, got the toilet delivered this morning. Let's go for a walk out the back and we'll show you some details. Okay, so we've made our way out the back. This is an exciting collaboration project we've been working on with Brock Fable Designs. So out to the side here, the swimming pool's already been installed. The existing lean-to alongside of me here is going to be deconstructed, salvaging as much material out of it as we can and recycling the rest. Coming off the back then is a new substantial extension coming off the back consisting of new kitchen, living, dining, pantry and laundry off to the side, as well as a new study and a gym room. So where I am currently, behind me is the existing that is to remain, and in front of me is going to be the new addition. In behind me as well, in the existing structure, we've got a few alterations. So the existing kitchen just back in behind me is going to become the new main bathroom, a new hallway thoroughfare off to my left, as well as the original bathroom in the front of the home is going to turn into the new ensuite with a doorway cut into the new master bedroom. Can't wait to bring you along for this journey. This project has some exciting features like UPVC windows, Bassrock and WeatherTex cladding, as well as a beautiful alfresco area to entertain out the back.